In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear history in X, Twitter. First, open your web browser and navigate to the website x.com. This is the official site for X, formerly known as Twitter. As the page loads, you will see the familiar layout that includes a feed of tweets and various interactive elements. This step is crucial because it's the starting point for managing your account. By accessing the correct website, you ensure that you are working with the latest version of the platform. You'll want to have your login credentials ready, as you may need them to proceed. Once the page is open, look for the search bar. This is typically located at the top of the screen. It is where you can enter keywords or usernames to find tweets or accounts. Clicking on the search bar is a simple action, but it opens up a world of possibilities. By using the search function, you can explore content that interests you. As you click on it, the search bar will become highlighted, indicating that it is ready for your input. This visual cue reassures you that you are on the right track. Next, after you have clicked the search bar, you will see an option that says Clear All next to Recent Searches. This option appears below the search bar and is often highlighted for easy visibility. Clicking on Clear All is an important step because it removes all previous search entries from your history. This helps protect your privacy and keeps your search history clean and organized. Once you click it, a confirmation may appear, ensuring that you want to proceed with this action. After clicking Clear All, you will typically receive a brief notification or visual confirmation that your recent searches have been cleared. This confirmation is crucial as it provides assurance that your action has been successful. You should now notice that the Recent Searches section is empty. This means that your searches will no longer be visible to anyone who might access your account. Keeping your search history clear is an important practice for maintaining privacy on social media platforms. Now that your recent searches are cleared, take a moment to reflect on how this small action contributes to your overall privacy. By routinely clearing your history, you ensure that your search activity remains confidential. This simple step not only enhances your privacy but also declutters your search experience, allowing you to focus on new content without distractions. In conclusion, we have successfully navigated through the steps to clear your history on X. We started by visiting the website, then accessed the search bar, and finally cleared the recent searches. Each of these steps is vital for maintaining control over your account and ensuring your privacy. Regularly practicing these steps will help you feel more secure while using the platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.